there. Come on, Lauren. Yes, just sit on it and come down. Make sure you're holding on or I'll let go flying. She found the leaves. Want to get me again? It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna like. You can get me actually coming down the hill. Here, hold this. It's still recording. And then my butt's cold now. Okay. Oh, no wonder. Kind of sad and dirt. Look what I sat in. And now, look at my arm. It's all dirty. Look, dirt. Time to get the leaves off me. I want to do it again. Are you getting my fly? No. I know, and I started freaking out thinking I was going to hit the tree. How do you get down there without going the opposite way? What? How do you get down there without going the opposite way? Me? No, me. I know you're gonna die. Jessie is a complete idiot. This is why you do not do this at home. See? I landed in sled. Jessie, not in sled. Jessie.
Zach, I'm gonna die doing this. So
don't try this at home, kids. I want to do it!
My backside hurts like a mofo.
A mofo. Oh. Here. That was some crazy shit right there. Anyway, I think I have I so should. Now go. Oh yeah, look at the woods. Just like the Blair Witch Project woods. I'm gonna get you coming like halfway down. And then you have to do the same for me. Let's watch a little bitch die. You're gonna die, Lauren. You're probably gonna run into me. Okay, go! Go. If I die, it was nice knowing you. Are you going? Go! You did it just a minute ago.
I'm gonna run into that tree, dude. Now I'm all muddy.
You knocked me down.
This is my wound.
Her foot. She knocked into me, and I slipped down. I was like, whoa! Alright, now you have to get me.
Look at this! Look! I'm a warrior. I'm Jesus Christ. Want a cracker?
Here, hold this. Try and get the same footage. My finger. I swear this one's gonna be awesome.
It's still filming me, guys.
Ew, I have dirt all over my butt. My mom's gonna be mad. My mom's gonna be pissed off, dude.
I'm scared now.
Why?
Because what if I die?
Well, I think I broke my finger. Look at my finger. It hurts. Where is it? My finger. It hurts. Ew, I have leaves in my hair. Look, leaves. Dude, that tree hurt. The stick that went in me hurt.
You can't laugh at me.
Hurry! Are you gonna stand? You should surf down.
No way, I'd like to hide.
So? Surf, I dare you. Wow.
Jeez, I think I broke my arm. Oh. Newest hair accessory. The must-have.
Dude, my butt's all dirty. Literally.
Dude, I just went flying down the rocks.
I went flying down a tree branch. Twig. She's such a fucking wuss.
What? You were
Sayonara, biatch. Say it.
son of a biatch.